Hi children, welcome back to the online English classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Gurivayur. I am Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in the last class we learned how we can change a statement in simple present tense into a negative statement and a question. Today let us learn how we can change a statement in simple past tense into a negative statement as well as a question. So we have already discussed about tenses and verb also. So let us see what all changes will come when we change a simple past tense into a negative and question. So let us start today's class. Now children, here you can see a sentence. What's that? Yes, John worked in a shop. John worked in a shop. Here John is the subject, worked is the verb and shop is the object. Here let us see the verb worked. Then what is the base form of the word worked? It is work, is it? Then we added ed with it. Then it become worked. So work is in present tense. So when we add ed, it become past tense. Then the word become worked. Now you can see another sentence. Ravi swam in the pool. Ravi swam in the pool. In this sentence, Ravi is the subject, swam is the verb and pool is the object. So let us see the verb in this sentence. This sentence is also in simple past tense and the word swam. What is the base form of this verb swam? It is swim. Swim in simple present tense. When it changes into simple past tense, it becomes swam. Swam is the past tense. So here we do not add ed. We cannot say swimmed. It's wrong. We will not add ed with the base form of this verb. So the word itself changes. Swim change into swam. So the first sentence we discussed is John worked in a shop. The verb is worked. Here, Ravi swam in the pool. The verb is swam. So, see both these words. One word is added ed and another one is not added. The word itself changes. So, there are two types of verbs in simple past tense. One is regular verbs which we add ed with the base form of the verb. And another one is irregular verbs where ed is not added, the word itself changes. So let us see some more examples for regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs: work, worked; live, lived; play, played; beg, begged; clap, clapped; plan, planned; collect, collected; watch, watched. Irregular verbs: be, was, were; do, did; draw, drew; fly, flew; know, knew; win, won; go, went; tell, told. Here you can see in regular verbs we will add ed with the base form of the verb. In irregular verbs we will do not add ed. Children, I hope you understood the two kinds of verbs in simple past tense. Which are they? Regular verbs where we add ed and irregular verbs where we do not add ed. Now let us see how we can change a positive statement to a negative in simple past tense. So now you can see a sentence here. I stopped my car. I stopped my car. What is the verb in this sentence? Stopped, is it? And let us see how we can change this positive statement into negative. Okay. I did not stop my car. Now, what all changes you can see here? First, I use the subject, that is I, okay. Then, we use the past form of the verb do, it is did, okay. I did. The next one, we have to use the negative word because we are changing a positive statement into negative. So, we'll use not. I did not or I didn't. Then the next one, it is stop. Why it is stop? Because we have to use the base form of the verb. What is the base form of this verb stop? It is stop. And then why we use this base form of this verb? Because we already used the past form of do. It is did. So we have to use the present form of the word stopped. It is stop. Then the object my car. Then the sentence will become I did not stop my car. Now the sentence is negative. So what we used? Subject plus did plus not plus base form of the verb or the present tense, okay, plus the object. So let us see one more example. The birds flew into the sky. Here we can see birds is the subject, flew is the verb, sky is the object. So now let us change this positive statement into negative. The birds, same, did not. What is the base form of this verb or the present tense of the verb flew? Fly, very good. The birds did not fly into the sky. Very good. So what's the format? So when we change a positive statement into negative, we have to use this format. Did plus not plus base form of the verb. I hope you understood. Let us see some more examples. Positive statement and negative statement. He jumped high. He did not jump high. Peter washed the car. Peter did not wash the car. I bought a bread. I did not buy a bread. Anna was at home. Anna was not at home. Tina did her homework. Tina did not do her homework. Children, see this sentence. Anna was not at home. In this sentence, we do not use did to make the sentence negative. We added not only. Remember, we will not add did with be words like I am, are, is, was, or were. Okay, we will only add not to make the statement negative. Children, now let us see how we can make questions in simple past tense. For that, see this example. Anu drew a picture. Anu drew a picture. See what all changes will come when I change the statement into a question. Did Anu draw a picture? Did Anu draw a picture? What happened here? We started the question with the helping verb did. Did, then the subject Anu. Then we use the base form of the verb draw. What is the base form of the verb drew? It is draw. Draw is the present form of the verb drew. Draw a picture. So what's the format? Did plus subject plus base form of the verb, then the object. Now you can see another example here. Rahul travelled to Bangalore. Rahul travelled to Bangalore. So the question become, did Rahul travel to Bangalore and a question mark. So here no matter whether the subject is singular or plural, we use the helping verb did, then the subject Rahul, then the base form of the verb travelled, it is travel, then the object Bangalore. So the question become, did Rahul travel to Bangalore? So what's the format to make a question? Did plus subject plus the base form of the verb and of course a question mark. So because we are writing question, so we have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. There is no matter whether the subject is singular or plural, we have to begin the question with did in the simple past tense. Now let us see some more examples. Statement, questions or interrogative. First one, Kiran read a book. Question, did Kiran read a book? Mary went to the zoo. Did Mary go to the zoo? They collected postcards. Did they collect postcards? You saw the house. Did you see the house? John wrote a letter. Did John write a letter? Children, here we used did and the base form of the verb and a question mark at the end of the sentence. Now let us see our textual exercise. Page number 50. Complete these statements with the simple past form of the verbs in the brackets. The first one has been done for you. I had. Had is the past form of the verb have. A pet rabbit when I was a child. See the second one. They dash a hole and dash the seeds. What will be the answer? They. What is the past form of the verb dig? It is dug. They dug a hole and what is the past form of the verb plant? It is planted and planted the seeds. They dug a hole and planted the seeds. See the third one. Sumit dash a big party on his birthday. So the verb is given not want. So it is not, which means it's a negative statement. So we have to use did not. So what will be the answer? Sumit did not want a big party on his birthday. Children, do the rest of the questions by yourself. Answer keys will be given in the Google Classroom. Children, in your textbook, page number 49, you can see a grammar part. Look at this table. Notice how different sentences are formed in the simple present and the simple past tense. See the sentence. The pirates walk to the beach. Here walk is the verb. It is in simple present tense. When we change it into simple past tense, it becomes walked. The pirates walked to the beach. Now let us see how we can change this statement into negative. In simple present tense, the pirates do not walk to the beach. Here the pirates is the subject. It is plural. So we use do not. We use do not does not. So the pirates do not. Then the base form of the verb walk to the beach. Then in simple past tense, we'll use did not. The pirates did not walk to the beach. Here no matter whether the subject is singular or plural. See the next one, how we can make questions in simple present tense. Same statement. It is a plural subject, so we'll begin with do. Do the pirates, then the base form of the verb walk to the beach, question mark. Then in simple past tense, we'll begin with did. Did the pirates, then the base form of the verb walk to the beach, then the question mark. So children, understand the difference between the simple present tense and simple past tense. We add ed to most verbs to form the simple past tense, but sometimes the spellings of certain verbs are different when we change them from the simple present tense to the simple past tense, like rise, rose, dig, dug, find, found, say, said. That we already discussed in regular verbs and irregular verbs. Children, I hope you understood today's class. So do the textual exercise and worksheet. Study. Then you have to write the notes, the important points and examples in your notebook and learn. We will meet in the next day. Until then, take care. Bye.